Girl, my life ain't perfect, but this girl, it's over for you bitches. Over. Hey fam, it's me, Sipa Avali. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Softglam tutorial, 2021 Softglam, updated Softglam tutorial. Darling, let's just get into the video, okay? I don't want to blab a lot, I just want to get straight to the video, so let's do that. First off, let me give you guys some tea on this hair. So this is a 20-inch 11A Peruvian hair. It is sold by me. Queen's Hair SA is my company. Yeah, we're back in business and we have some of these in stock. We have these in 10 inches to 26 inches, black only. Yeah, and it's a black owned business, hello. But yeah, this is a 20 inches. See, darling, this is a 20 inches, very good quality. I think one thing that Queens did master this time is quality. Like, we understood the assignment. So go and check us out on Instagram. We are Queen's Hair SA. I'm going to link all the information on the description bar. I'm going to put all the information on the description box, so girl, just go and check us out, and yeah, let's get into the tutorial. So lately I've really been enjoying the routine where I start with the base and then I go on with the eyes, you know. Yeah, I believe it's like, I think it makes the look very clean for me. I don't want to lie. Oh my gosh, why is it that I don't have a mirror here with me? Wait, let me go and take the mirror. The primer that I'm using is this Essence Glitter Primer. I am going to keep on... Oh, this is too much. I'm going to keep on looking down here because the mirror is literally very low. And there's no way that I can put it up. Okay. Because it's a soft glam, I'm not going to be applying any concealer underneath to cover up my dark spots, and that is because I'm using this foundation. This is one of the foundations that I've always believed in. No lies, I believe that this foundation is full coverage because it claims to be full coverage. Skin Perfecting Full Coverage Skin Perfecting Full Coverage Foundation. It has SPF 20 and it also has a comfort serum. I mean, what foundation can give you that? I've always wanted to put my hands in this foundation, and I don't know what has been stopping me. This is the Rimmel foundation anyway. The lasting finish, yeah. Oh, and my shade is in Golden Caramel. It's my first time using it. I just got it. So yeah, we're both going to be experiencing this for the first time. One thing I did though was to make sure that it matches my skin. I must say, I've never really put my hands on a foundation that knows my skin the way this one does. One thing I don't know about it is if it oxidizes, but yeah, so far so good. I'm literally shaking. I don't know why I'm shaking. It's full coverage. It looks like it's full coverage. One thing I can tell you. Yeah. I'm gonna go in and blend with the other brush. Let me just put it here. Just like that. Oh, this is so great. Yes, baby. Ooh. Anyways, how are you guys doing? How's life? Hope you guys are good. I hope you guys... Okay, so this is my skin with no foundation, and this is the foundation. Literally the same shade. But the difference is... Oh, is this soap? Ha! I just wanna, you know, apply a few dots. I am go big or go home type of girl, so the coverage is actually good, but I just want to make sure. For concealing, I'm gonna use this Rimmel Insta Conceal and Contour. I'm gonna wet this beauty blender that I'm gonna use for also, this concealer is very thick, but I love the full coverage. So you really need to make sure that your beauty blender is damp. Even if the concealer is not thick, you always need to make sure that your beauty blender is damp. And I'm just gonna go on and blend all of that. For contouring, I'm going to use my Old Beauty oh, it's super dirty. This is my Old Beauty Treats Contour and Sculpt palette, and I'm just gonna go on and contour. Softglam for me is all about, you know, monochrome, keeping the colors the same, soft colors like your browns, your like oranges, you know, your nudes. Yeah, I think that is like Softglam for me, and that is one look that I think everybody should be doing right now, because darling, it's 2021. Hello. Also, I'm just like tapping lightly because I don't want it to be harsh, and I also want it to be contoured like that. Okay, and then I'm just gonna be contouring here. Always have to bring down the contour into your neck. Just creates a very nice illusion, especially if you want to get snatched. No, not here. The main reason why I'm tapping is because I don't want to move the products that are already on my face with the brush, because a brush can do that. For baking, I'm going to be using my Yardley loose powder. Yes, I am going to be baking. Why? Because I just love what it does. I haven't contoured my nose. I was actually waiting for this moment. And then after this, I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my nose. Yeah. Guys, this is my secret Yasana to snatch nose. Yeah, but oh my word. Lightly, if you don't want it to be difficult to blend, just lightly. Okay. Just so easy like that. Is this how it's done? Gonna let that sit. Then I'm gonna go in with a blender and then I'm just gonna blend everything all in. I'm going to be baking again, just on my under eye. In case of any fallout from the palette, the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using. I am going to be playing around with this Dreamer eyeshadow palette from Revlon, Color Stay. It's not opening. It's not opening. It's not opening, guys. It's not opening. Okay. So it's got like nice nude colors over there. I'm gonna play around with them and a bit of orange. We're gonna create something nice. I'm gonna go in with this orangish color here. It's more like guava pink or whatever. I'm just gonna use it as my transition color. Oh, Revlon, you didn't warn us about this thing. Revlon didn't warn us about the pigmentation. Oh. But I wasn't expecting it. What? I'm gonna take the same brush I used as my contour and then my nose contour brush, and I'm just gonna blend that. Wow. Rev. And then I'm gonna take the brown. This is blended very nicely. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna highlight using this Revlon shimmer powder. It seems like namhlanje I've just been using Revlon and Rimmel mostly, if not only. Okay, I'm just gonna my nose right there, you know, highlighter. I love how dewy this look is. I just can't get enough of it. Dewy and soft, baby. Ooh. Not too much. Ooh. I'm just just loving this highlighter. Like, it literally, for as much as it looks like whitish on the container, but immediately when it gets to your skin, it just turns gold. Girl! Okay fam, so that is the end of the video, and this is the final look. I am so impressed. I hope you're also impressed with this look and you are going to try it out, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do okay, like the video, subscribe, comment down below, say anything nice, girl. Yeah, share with your friends, okay? Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that I was here. I feel like I'm really back. Like, even my intro and my outro is back. Girl, I'm down, okay? Yeah, for the past few days, I didn't even know how to do this YouTube thing, but yeah, that is over, girl. That is... So, yeah, girl, bye. Bye, girl.